Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off two-step verification on WhatsApp. So if you want to turn off the two-step verification feature on WhatsApp, then let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up WhatsApp. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on settings at the bottom right, then tap on account, then tap on two-step verification. And now from here on this screen, you want to go ahead and tap on turn off. This will now confirm if you want to turn off two-step verification. Go ahead and tap on turn off. And once you do this, this will basically turn off two-step verification for your WhatsApp account. And there you go. That is how to turn off two-step verification on WhatsApp. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.